In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone Bluestacks. Create multiple instances. Cloning Bluestacks simply means creating another separate Android emulator window so you can run multiple games or accounts at the same time, without them interfering with each other. Start by opening BlueStacks 5 on your computer. On the right-hand sidebar, look for the Multi-Instance Manager. The icon looks like a stack of windows. Click it to open the manager. This is the control center where you'll create, configure, and launch additional instances. Inside the Multi-Instance Manager, click the button labeled New Instance or the plus sign. You'll see two choices: Fresh Instance and Clone Instance. Fresh Instance is recommended because it gives you a clean, brand new emulator without any apps or settings carried over. Clone Instance copies the setup of an existing instance, which can be handy if you want the exact same environment duplicated. Pick the option that best fits your use case. Next, choose the Android version you want the instance to run. You'll typically see options like Android 11 or Android 9. Select the version your game or app supports best. If you're unsure, newer titles often prefer Android 11, while some older apps might run more smoothly on Android 9. After selecting, click Next. Now it's time to allocate resources. Set the CPU cores and RAM for this instance. A good starting point is 2 CPU cores and 2 GB of RAM, especially if you plan to run multiple instances at once. Adjust based on your PC's capabilities. Leave enough resources for your operating system and other tasks, and remember that more instances mean you should be more conservative per instance. When your settings look right, click Create. You'll now see the new instance listed in the Multi-Instance Manager. To launch it, click the Start button and a separate BlueStacks window will open. Each instance runs independently, so you can place windows side by side and manage different games or accounts simultaneously for better multitasking. If your clone doesn't start, go back into the instance settings and increase the RAM allocation. If BlueStacks feels laggy after cloning, try running fewer instances at once or lower the CPU allocation per instance to free up system resources. And if you can't find the Multi-Instance Manager on the sidebar, update BlueStacks to the latest version and check again. That's all it takes to create multiple BlueStacks instances. Set them up thoughtfully, balance your system resources, and you'll enjoy smooth, efficient multitasking across your favorite apps and games.